Hello and welcome to the section 2, dive into TypeScript, writing first code in TypeScript. So now we're going to make a real file in a TypeScript. I'm just clicking on the new file. Okay, I'm renaming it as script.ts. The ts is the extension for the TypeScript files. Line break, now I got the ts file here. So for the first thing first, I'm writing the world famous line of code console.log. As you're a JavaScript background developer, so you must know the console log. I'm writing hello world inside it. I'm saving it now. I've written the log code here in a TypeScript, but I cannot run it unless I convert it or compile it with JavaScript. So what I need to do, I need to go to the terminal. Here is the terminal. Get it loaded. Okay. Now, I need to compile this TS file into the JS format. If you notice, we are actually in a folder where the file exists. The TypeScript.ts is in a TypeScript Angular folder, and you can see that the folder is same. That means we don't need to go to any folder. We directly can write tsc space script.ts inline break. Okay, it's processing. I got the JS file, and you can see that there is a JS file. You found no difference between code of the TS and the JS because we eventually used the JS code in the TS. We will learn TS in some later chapters, but because TS is a superset of JavaScript, so ultimately the code in JS is actually a code in TS. Let's run this JS file, not here, but to the terminal, node space script.js. I got the hello world. That means it's actually fine and working.